So yesterday we had already completed our chapter number 3, government. Anybody has any doubts in this chapter? Any students? Any doubts, beta? Yes or no? No doubts? Okay, now as I told you that we still don't have any workbook. Textbook bhi nahi hai, workbook bhi nahi hai, right? And 3 chapters have already been completed explanation part. Writing work हमारा कुछ हुआ नहीं है, right? So now we are not going to wait for our workbook. Workbook का जितना भी exercise portion है, we are going to write it in the classwork till the workbook comes. Okay? So just now I am sharing the workbook with you. मेरी जो वर्कबुक है वो मैं यहाँ पर शेयर करूंगी एंड यू विल हैव टू राइट द क्वेश्चन आंसर्स इन योर क्लास वर्कबुक. एम आई वेरी क्लियर ऑल ऑफ यू? एम आई क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? ओके, so just now, sorry, मतलब take out the new page. Okay, what you will do, take out a new page in your classwork. I am showing you how to do. Okay, this is your page of the classwork, right? Now what you will do, write the day and date over here, then give the title chapter 1 again. अभी chapter 1 वापस से start कर रहे हैं. Below that write the title. What was the name of the chapter? Two big states. Okay, below that again you will write one heading, workbook exercise. Okay, you should be knowing that हम लिख तो class workbook में रहे, but actually this is for workbook. So I want you to write all these things. I'm giving a minute of time. New page of your classwork. Write the day and date, 30th June 2021. Wednesday, chapter 1, two big states, workbook exercise. अगर आप चाहो तो इसको full form में लिख सकते हो. I don't have space, so I am writing in short. Okay? चलो, up to this, keep ready. I am giving you 1 minute of time. Right, so all of you have written all these things. Chapter number, chapter name, workbook exercise, सब लिख लिया, all of you? Okay, now I am sharing you the workbook with you. Can you see the first page of the workbook on your screen, all of you? Yes. Now what you will do, आपने जो लिखे ना वर्कबुक एक्सरसाइज, उसके नीचे टाइटल दो MCQs. ये पूरा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं. चूज द करेक्ट ऑल्टरनेटिव फ्रॉम दोज गिवन बिलो. डोंट राइट एवरीथिंग, जस्ट पुट अ स्टार एंड राइट MCQ and then you will write 1 to 10. अभी आज के लेक्चर में मैं आपको टारगेट दे देती हूँ. आज के लेक्चर में यू हैव टू राइट 10 MCQs and 1 for 14 fill in the blanks. देखो फर्स्ट पेज में आपको MCQs दिख रहा है, ऑल ऑफ यू? यस, यस तो बोलो बेटा. ओके, and you can see two blanks are there on this page, and on the other page there are fill in the blanks number 3 to 14. तो आज का हमारा टारगेट इतना है that we have to write 10 MCQs and 14 fill in the blanks. Okay, you can start writing. Yes beta. Okay, now MCQs again. You will write only the correct answer. Don't write all the 4 option A B C D. फिर C में टिक करो, सामने आंसर लिखो. No, you will just write, give the instructions MCQ. The number one, who had imprisoned Rajeshi? Answer, Devgupt. Number two, with the help of which Buddhist monk did Harshvardhan get his sister Rajeshri liberated? Answer, Divakar Mitra. Number three, where did Harshvardhan hold religious conference every 5 years? Answer, in Prayag. Did you understand? How are you supposed to write? Yes? Have you started your writing work? Okay, I'll give you 10 minutes for these MCQs. 10 मिनट्स में 10 MCQs आराम से लिख सकते हो. फिर अगर सबका बाकी है तो आई विल गिव द एक्स्ट्रा टाइम. ये कोई टेस्ट नहीं है, डोंट वरी. बट क्योंकि हमारे पास वर्कबुक नहीं है, सो वी डोंट हैव एनी अदर ऑप्शन. Okay, so write down in between. If you have any queries, you can ask me. I am here. Okay. Actually, when a group of families are together, एक ही एरिया में 10, 15, 20 families रहते हैं, right? And out of these family, one person, actually this group of families जिसकी एक ही सरनेम होती है, families means they have one surname, okay? That is known as a dynasty. Now उसमें से one person who is the most powerful, most intelligent and most senior, जिसमें सब तरह की क्वालिटीज होती है, दैट पर्सन बिकम्स द किंग. ठीक है, तो उनकी जो सरनेम है उसको उस नाम से बुलाते हैं. समझ रहे? जैसे पल्लव डायनेस्टी. पल्लव डायनेस्टी मीन्स द ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल लिविंग टुगेदर एंड द पल्लव किंग इज रूलिंग ओवर द डायनेस्टी. फिर धीरे धीरे वो किंग जो है वो दूसरे एरिया को करता है, उसको डिफीट करता है और उसका एरिया एक्सटेंड होता है. फिर उसमें बहुत सारे फैमिलीज वो ऐड हो जाते हैं. पल्लवा पीपल, तो पल्लव फैमिली तो हुई है, बट अदर पीपल ऑल्सो. दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया जो उसने डिफीट किया है टुगेदर इज नोन एज द पल्लव डायनेस्टी एंड द किंग इज फ्रॉम द पल्लव फैमिली. इसको बोलता है डायनेस्टी. Got it, Raj? Okay. Any other problems, anybody? Any other problems, anybody? Okay. So, as we know that Harshvardhan used to call religious conference after every 5 years at Prayag. याद आ रहा है? Okay. And which religion did he follow? Buddhism. So Buddhist religious conference he used to call after every 5 years. और उसमें से जो 6th वाला कॉन्फ्रेंस था, that was attended by Yun Seng. Okay, so that is 6th religious council. Council means conference, meeting, gathering, whatever. Number 7. Okay, beta? Okay, chalo, continue. Right, now after completing the MCQs, leave 2 or 3 lines and give the title, fill in the blanks. Again, ये पूरा लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Fill in the blanks with proper words or sentences, not at all necessary. Just give the title, fill in the blanks. And you can start with number 1, 2. As soon as you complete up to 2, tell me so that I will turn the page. Am I very clear, students? Okay. So I think all of you have completed the first page. Here comes your page number 2. And you will write blank number 3 to 14 from here. And after completing fill in the blanks,